Well, as you can see, we're at the park truck. I straightened that out a little bit. But I went and scrounged up some parts, new headlight and grill, which ain't perfect. Grill has a crack in it, and the bumper came off one that did hit something. So we're gonna add some heat to this and a couple holes and some zip ties and fix that on up too, make it brand new. And this piece as well was and is broke. Yeah. So favorite tool in the world here, zip ties. I'm gonna straighten some stuff out and pull out pieces of the old bumper. Man, no matter how you wrap these damn things up, they tangle up. Don't help it gets cold out. And they really don't like to move. Now I need to get that super hot here. I just want to heat it up enough just to so that this inner piece we can flex her a little bit without it cracking. And then, like I said, we're going to have to zip tie this back on here on the side. It was much easier with a little bit of heat. Let's see, we're going to throw a zip tie here. Put that bad boy high. Use the black ones, UV resistant. Can't remember if I told you that before or not. There we go. Now I need a cutter. All right, well, there's that. So now we got to heat this up, do some flexing and some screwing on this. Ouch. I mean, heat gun works. Ouch. Son of a bitch. All right. I call that good. Straight enough for me. I think I'm gonna get the tractor with a chain, put that on, and just tweak her up. Yeah, pretty close in my book. A little off, but as expected. A deer. What's going on, Steve?
Not much.
Well, as you can see, it's mostly done here. Still got to polish off the headlight. And there's the end results of my custom zip ties. So now we just got to figure out the ground wire, whatever is going on with the oxygen sensors, because I love Chrysler. Everyone I've ever had seems to have issue with oxygen sensors, other than the Dart. That hasn't, not on plastic yet. So just wanted to show you what the finished result was, for the most part. And I still haven't washed it since I got it. Probably ain't going to either. Thanks for watching.